Alright, I'm gonna connect this thing. So this is the project that I've been doing. It's called touchpad. So it's basically a touchpad and keyboard. And the thing I'm gonna do is gonna connect this thing. Okay, so here we go. Gonna connect this one. Okay, connect successfully. Whoops. Okay, we got green screen. Let's see what we have here. System service exception. Win32k base.sys failed. Yeah, maybe Windows doesn't like having like, you know, one precision trackpad and another precision trackpad. They were like, one of them is just fine. Why have two of them? Yeah. GSOD with Bluetooth device.